begin. First, we have to take out 2-gallon milk from fridge. Simple, $4.99, and keep it 12 hours in the flat that it will be get the flat inside temperature. Morning time. Take your milk, pour the milk in the saucepan, and turn on the light the lowest level that you can. Close the cover. Stir the milk every 15 minutes. This is optional. When the milk is about to boil, guys, careful, be careful, is about to boil. Never ever boiling the milk. Turn off the light. When you turn off the stove, prepare booster. It's Bulgarian yogurt. When we will finish Yogurt Tartar, the price will be down about 5 times. So the Bulgarian yogurt cost $7.29. When you will finish Yogurt Tartar, it will be cost you $1.50. It's have to take out half of this container, this jar. It will be enough to start process sowing, sowing milk, sour milk, something like that. Just take out and left it to warm and get warm temperature. I make this way. Just put here and wait when the milk temperature it will be down. So this part very important. We have a booster that already get the temperature the milk. The milk, it's if you can take your hands to saucepan long times, around 30 seconds, and it's not hot, it's enough. Now you have to put the booster inside the milk, but you can't do it this way. You have to be careful and put the booster very carefully step by step put first hot milk inside the booster, that it will be some germs like a probiotic didn't die inside the booster. This is so important. It's have to be warmer and warmer, warmer and warmer. And when you feel it's close to the milk, if you remember, the booster will be more like a yogurt. Now when you're pouring the milk, it's close to the milk and its consistency turn out like milk. You have to pour in the booster inside the milk, but you have to stir everything. Like this way. Now it's already pouring some jar, some plastic jar, anywhere, and after I will show you next step. So when we put the water in container or jar, you have to, this hot water, it's really hot jar, and I will show you why it's need to do you, what you have to will do with it. Every milk, you will pull the container, and in addition you pull inside this cooler the hot water. The hot water is booster to start to work, booster inside the milk, and it will be start some biological process to make a yogurt tartar. See you after 24 hours, guys. 20 hours passed by and we will check what's going on here and check it's ready or not. Look at this. This already not milk. This is yogurt tartar. Put this to refrigerator and enjoy. And I will show you in the video how we use it. So guys, we make homemade Tatarian yogurt, yogurt tartar, and recipe how can we use it. Easy. Put some water, half and half. Some people eat without water like this. Some people put their sugar, but without sugar it's turned to Israel kefir. Same why you have to lose your money? You can make it Israel kefir like this. Other recipe: put some water, salt, half cucumbers, dill, I already cut it here, and garlic, 1 or 2 is, it's up to you guys. Someone don't like garlic, you can make without garlic, never mind. Same idea, put the yogurt tartar here, and your breakfast are ready. Yummy. No, I need a little bit salt. Much better. And that's it. Sometimes people put the piece inside, like this piece. One moment. Like this, but before you put there, you have to keep it 1 day in the water, salt water. It will be soft, and it's like a combination cucumbers, peas, dill, and yogurt tartar, salt. It's very yummy. And that's it.